We are in building P1 here at East Los Angeles College. Got about 11 bays here. We have several pieces of advanced equipment, like for example, our Hunter alignment machine. We have an in-ground chassis dynamometer where we can measure vehicle horsepower. We have several advanced diagnostic tools like digital storage oscilloscopes, scan tools. We have a service information program called ShopKey. We have an engine lab where students could tear down engines completely and you have to measure and you have to assemble. Our transmission lab, we have several transmissions, automatic and manual.
The programs that we have here on the computer are able to help us step by step diagnose the problems, fix the problems, and again, charge people a fair price.
We're very up to date and very equipment heavy, and so all these pieces of equipment are very expensive, very high tech, very advanced, and state of the art.